Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install ngrok latest version, that is 3.36 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to ngrok official website, it is ngrok.com. Then click on download. See here, these are the commands to download. See here we have three methods: apt, download and snap. In this video I am going to use this apt method. Then we have to add auth token. So to get the auth token, we have to sign up. So before running those commands, first sign up. If you have already account, click on login. I have already, but click on sign up. Then you have to provide name, email, or you can sign up with GitHub or Google. Okay, so I have already. See in the dashboard, see here on the left side you have getting started. Under getting started you have setup and installation, then your auth token. Then select Linux. Then see here populated list of the commands. So copy these commands one by one. Before installing them, first verify whether Apache Web Server is installed or not. If it is not installed, I will show you how to install. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, Apache Web Server is running. Qt quit, Ctrl L. If it is not installed, sudo apt install Apache 2. This is the command. Okay, so it is already installed. Now run this command. This single statement contains 4 commands. This is the first one, this is the second one, and it is going to update packages and it is going to install ngrok. Hit enter. We have successfully installed ngrok version number 3.36. It is the latest version at the remember again this video. You can also verify the version ngrok -version. See, we have installed ngrok 3.36. Ctrl A. Now add this auth token by clicking on this copy button. Okay, then paste it. Hit enter. Okay, then deploy your application online. So copy this one. Ctrl A. Paste it, hit enter. See, successfully deployed. At a moment it will populate the forwarding link. Copy from this HTTPS to this .app. Right click, copy, new tab, paste it, hit enter. Now click on this widget site. See, successfully connected. Okay, now we will create a sample HTML file. Go to new tab, go to var www html sudo vi welcome.html press I to insert mode. I am just giving one h1 tag. Save the file. Then after this .app, then give welcome.html. See, whatever is there in this file, it has printed. Okay, but we will see what will happen if you stop the Apache Web Server. Sudo systemctl stop Apache 2. Now reload this page. See, it is not working. So Apache server must be up and running. Sudo systemctl start Apache 2. See, Apache Web Server started 7 seconds ago. Now reload this page. See, we got the content. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install ngrok latest version 3.36 on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.